In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert page numbers into Microsoft Word that will maintain the highest level of accessibility. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. Now, the best way to do this is to go to the Insert tab and then select Page Number. On my version of Microsoft Word, it's about midway across. And what we're going to do is select Top of Page, and we can choose where it goes and how it looks in the document. I'm going to keep this very simple and select plain and select accent bar 2. And all of this will automatically be artifacted if we take it into PDF, which is important because we don't want the page number to disrupt the flow of our reading. One example of this would be at the end of page 3 of my document, where I have a list item that spans I have a list with 4 items that spans 2 pages, and I have this page 4 information right between items 2 and 3. This can disrupt the reading flow if I were to create it in any other method. So make sure anytime you are inserting page numbers, you are using the insert feature built into Microsoft Word. Now, if you wanted to, you could also make the very first page different. So on the header and footer tab, when you are inside the header and footer, you could select the option different first page. This will then remove the content out of the first page, and the numbering will begin on page 2. You could then type in a custom header on page 1, and again, this will not be read by a screen reader, and it will be automatically artifacted when you take it over to PDF. But what's nice about it is you can customize the first page and then leave your nice page numbers on the rest of the pages. This is the most accessible method to insert page numbers into a Microsoft Word document. That concludes today's video on how to insert page numbers into a Microsoft Word document while maintaining the highest level of accessibility possible. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, or if you want access to my free checklist for Microsoft Word accessibility, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.